Hello everyone, how are you all? Hi, good evening all of you. Welcome to Unify Study. Good evening. Hi, I hope I am audible, visible, everything is clear. Hi, who are here? हाँ, दिव्या, नर्मदा, दीपा, साथिया, सुरुथि, हेमा, मयूरी, जीविता, प्रिस्किल, लीमा, प्रसन्नजीत, तुलसी, and Nil Madhav, Lekka, Lekai, Narmada, Sathya, everyone, all of you, very good evening, very good evening. Hi. So, how is the Josh? How is the Josh? High? I hope it is high. It has to be very high. I hope so. Yes. So this session will be very much helpful to all of you, because here we are going to cover all important topic through the previous year's analysis. We will do the previous year's analysis, expected MCQ, previous year's question. Everything will be complete here today in this marathon, and I am totally free today because my family member, my daughter, my husband went to celebrate Durga Puja. They are doing puja hopping, they are doing pandal hopping, they are celebrating it, and now I am here for you so that we can do the marathon. I told them, okay, you go out, I will take the marathon, that is not a problem. Let's start it. Okay, so let's do how long we can do it. How long we can do it, let's see that. Yes. Happy? All of you are happy? So no time constraint, how much is required I will do it, and how much I can do. One constraint is there, that is my health constraint. So it is, other than that I will be there. Okay, yes. So let's start. First of all, whenever we are doing preparation for software engineering or any subject, whenever before exam you are doing preparation, first of all you have to note it down. What are the topics you must cover in software engineering? The topics must cover in software engineering. These are the topics from 2021, 2020, 2019, June, 2000, December, 18. So I have here 5 years analysis. 18, 19 June, 19 December, November 2020 and November 2021. Just note it down and don't miss this topic. If you have completed this topic before going to exam, means your marks is confirmed 20 out of 20, right? So just note it down and see that how much repetitively they are asking question from which topic. SRS concept, one question was there in 2021. MVC SCM, this is a very important topic, mark a star here. MVC SCM, clean room approach, these 3 topics repetitively they are asking. In 2021 also you are and CMM also, testing also. These are the topics are repetitively asking topic. Numerical, always they are asking one topic. Software engineering notation, there was one topic. And here AP numerical, function point numerical is also another important topic from where always they are asking question. UML diagram, there was 2 question. Cohesion and coupling, next important topic, cohesion coupling, always they are asking question repetitively. You can see here CMM again, testing again. Software maintenance is the topic from where always question will come, right? And other than that, here you can see quality control, one question was there. Now next, in December 2019, if you saw flow graph, there was 5 question because it was a comprehension type question, that is 10 marks question was there from flow graph. That was the complexity, means here cyclomatic complexity flow graph. From that there was 5 question. Sequence diagram 2 question, agile methodology 1 question, and ISO model 1 question was there. In June 2019, software reuse, reverse engineering, re-engineering, this topic is another important topic. Risk monitoring, project. Here SDLC model, different types of SDLC model from there. One question was there. Software testing again, software maintenance again, cohesion coupling again, and software validation verification. This is also another important topic what they are asking. Next one, in December 2018, what are the questions they asked? Statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. This is a star mark topic. I am telling you, here you can get 10 marks question, means highly expected area, comprehension type question can come. They can provide you a programming. From that programming, they can ask you comprehension type question in this statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. Again, you can see clean room approach was there, reverse engineering, re-engineering, agile methodology, coupling cohesion, software requirement specification, maintenance, maturity index, UML, and this topic. So you can understand that repetitively these are the topic ultimately they are asking, right? So means it's very clear, if you are doing properly analysis and if you are covering the previous year topic, maybe chances there they will repeat the same question, or if repeat not same question, then concept will be definitely repeated. So let's start. Yes, let's start it. These are the topic. I hope you note it down. So let's start without wasting time. And those who are new here, please like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because previously software engineering class, now I can see 25k already view, but so many students did not subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe, please. Okay. So here, first of all, I am coming to the MVC topic, because repetitively MVC questions are asking. So you can see the question. I will show you question. We will discuss concept. Again, we will do some question from this area. So it is a question that what is V? If you know the answer, you can write down in the chat box. Definitely write down in the chat box whatever your answer. Then I will go for the next topic. Okay. So what is MVC? You can write it down in the chat box. These are the options 1, 2, 3, 4, so that your revision will be done. So let's learn it. What is MVC? MVC is the model view controller. Means it is a framework. When software developer are developing a software, they are maintaining the framework model view controller. In the model, what they are doing? In the model, managing the data and the business logic. Means for a programming, for a software, there should be a business logic. All the business logic will be handled on the model. And view means what user is able to see, that is the display, that is view. So view means that is user end, HTML, CSS, that will be written on the view. And controller is working between a bridge. How there is meeting the bridge? That is the routes command to model to view. Means between model and view, one controller will be there. Like an example, think like that. Why it is more important? What will be the benefit of this MVC? Benefit of this MVC is there. If sometimes maybe I need to change that in a registration form, I want to add a new field. So it is not required to change everywhere. Just what we will do here in the view, we will add a field. In the model, we will add the field. And whenever we are adding the field in the model, then it will be added in the database also. We will be added in the database also. So it will not impact the total software. So the changes will be very easy. And to handle it, to maintain it, everything is very easy. That's why software developer are using this MVC. Remember that. So here this is model, this is view, and this is controller. How it is working? See that here update is going on, send input from the user, and it's manipulate the data. In this way, MVC is working. This is very important topic. Must remember it. I hope it is clear to everyone. What is MVC? And what will be the answer? Hema, your answer is wrong. The answer is View means user interface. What is the V component here? V is user interface. Okay, this is the 2021 question. Now after that, next question, next topic is what is SCM? As I told you, SCM is also very important. What is this? SCM is software configuration management, and you can see the question here. So if you know the answer, write down it. What will be the answer for this? You can write it down. After that, I am coming to the topic. Those who are here live, you can write it down. Answer. Write it down the answer. Then I will come to the topic. What will be the answer here? Yes, so answers are coming. So let's see what is SCM. Software configuration management. Why it is required? Because in a software, in a software company, all are working parallelly, and nowadays because of the pandemic, because of this COVID situation, after that it is more important because most of the software developer are working from home. Everyone is work from home. Now I am working from my home, my team member is working from their home. How we will manage our work? Because it is ultimately a teamwork. How everyone will synchronize the teamwork? How it is possible? So that's why in between there will be SCM. This is a special type of software. One example is GitHub, SVN. These are helping to merge the code. You are writing something, you will upload your code, and when in the same page other one is working, they will download it and they will update it, and again they will try to merge it. Now, so upload download is not the problem. The problem is that whatever you have done the changes and whatever they are doing the changes, this should be merged together. Otherwise what it will be? Otherwise the problem is there ki maybe whatever I have updated this, that will be deleted. I have updated a line number 10. At the same time another one is working. He is writing line number 100. He is updating. Now I have updated my work on 6 p.m. Other one is updating that in 7 p.m. So my work will be lost because it will be overwritten. So that is a task of SCM, that whenever someone else is trying to update that, then it will show the conflict. Because yes, with your version, in my server version, there is a conflict. These are the line is not there. So please add it. Then it will manually it will be checked. Okay, these are the done by someone else. So then we will merge it, and after that finally we will upload it. So it is maintaining the version also. And after that, if any problem is coming, maybe someone did some work, after that the problem is coming, so quickly we can fix it because we know that exactly after which one the problem is coming, and we can back to the previous version also. This is a very good advantage of SCM, where all the team member can work parallelly and all the work will be maintained properly. That is the work of SCM, software configuration management. So you can see what are the work, that is build management. When it is building, all team member are working, process management and teamwork. These are the three main key points, main goal of the SCM. I hope it is clear. Your total revision will be done for software engineering. So here these are the some cloud computing, DevOps. Nowadays so many purpose DevOps is using for the purpose of SCM. So many companies are using now DevOps also. The examples also try to remember, because they can ask you examples also. Okay. So here it is, the answer will be option 1. Yes, code file, and B is documentation file, because it is asking you the context of software configuration management, what kind of file should be committed. Definitely whatever work I am doing, I am uploading that. These are the extra file, output file. Why I will upload? This is the extra file. Auto generated file no required. When you are executing, then auto generated file will be automatically generated. So this is also not required. So my answer will be these two only. Now another question from SCM, you can see this is also another previous year's question. Do it. Tell me now. Now you learn what is SCM. So now you can do the answer. Tell me the answer. What is the answer for SCM? What is the answer for SCM? This is another question. Do it. Deepa, Mayuri, Narmada, Prashanjit, Thulasi, Thirumala, Satya, Rupa, Priskil, Devasri, Lima, Shirisha, user. All of you do this. What will be the answer? Yes, answers are coming here. Answers are coming. Yes, just now I told you that managing and releasing the version, filling reports. This is not report filling, not report bug. This is not a part of soft SCM. Allowing team member work parallelly. This is a part of SCM. And regression occurred. Whenever any problem is occurring, regression occurred then also. So that's why your answer will be this one. Those who are telling 2, they are wrong. B is not the part. It is not doing any bug report. Bug report, bug fixing is not a part of SCM. Bug means it is not working. That is a bug. When there is a conflict means different, bug means difference. Conflict means it is a program. It will show here in this line there is a conflict. In my server version, whatever is there, in whatever you are uploading, there is a conflict. It is showing like this red line. Here is a conflict. So then we have to merge it. Okay, keep it this way, then now add this line. In this way manually we have to do. That is a conflict between the line. Bug means when it is executing, any error, any problem is coming, that is a bug. So bug fixing is not the part of SCM. Bug tracking is the part of the tester. Tester will test it and tester will show that bug. Okay, got it? Clear, Narmada? Answer is clear. It is tracking means version control. What is the version here? How others are doing? Is there any conflict or not? This is totally depending on the file. Whatever file is uploading, downloading, that is the part. Other than that, nothing. Okay? Clear? Now see here another question again from the SCM. Another question. SCM is a very important topic. This is also a previous year's question. It is another topic from SCM. Version, release, variant. What is version? What is release? What is variant? Tell me. What will be the answer for this? Okay, answers are coming. User is answering here. Priskil is also answering. Answer is this one. Version means that version 1, version 2, version 3. Why this is coming? Because whenever you are buying the book, this is the version number 1 point something, version number 1.2. Every software have also that, because there are some different previous version, something was not there. New version, some extra features, some extra topic is added. That's why it is called version. So definitely there is some difference between previous one and next one. That is version. Variant means car variant, mobile variant. You are searching, right? Same company, same version, same model, but variant is different. Means maybe color is different, or it is automatic and another one may be manual, like that variant. So here functionalities are same, everything is same, feature is also same, but little bit something is different here, design, but the design are different. That's why it is called variant. Release means whatever we are releasing to the customer. When your product is ready, now you can deliver it to customer, that is called release. So that's why here your answer will be this one, C, A, B. Is it clear? All of you are correct here. Those who are dealing, Rupa, your answer is wrong. Satya, Lekha, Prashanjit, Narmada, SNJ, all of you are correct. No, SNJ you are wrong. SNJ you are wrong. So answer will be this one. Okay. So we did SCM and we did the another one MVC. Now we will learn the difference between verification and validation, testing and debugging. These two topics always students are doing mistake. What is verification? What is validation? What is testing? What is debugging? From this question only your 4 topic will be clear. Do this question. Try to understand this question. After that I will help you definitely. Try to understand it. First try to understand it from your end. Then I will help you. What will be the answer? What is verification? What is validation? Yes, answers are coming. So let's see. Always remember, when a software means you have done the SRS documentation, means customer give you some requirement. I want to this, I want this. So it's required some document verification also. Remember like that, whenever you are going for any exam, whenever you are going for any job, then there is document verification. So same thing is going on here, that is document verification. So it is ensuring the part of the software correctly in the specific function. We building the product right, means we are building the product in right way, that is verification. And validation is after building the product, when product is totally built. Now you are validating that as per the customer requirement, is this product meeting the customer requirement. Customer requirement was a hospital management product, hospital management software. So is it really hospital management software? In the hospital management software, what was the special feature that was the customer need? Is it supporting or not? That is validation. So that's why always verification we are doing, it is an ongoing process. Whenever you are starting software building, after that ongoing, this is that document verification is going on. And after building it, now next part is coming validation. That is the difference between verification and validation. Now what is the difference between testing and debugging? Debugging is done by the developer. When developer is writing the code, they are debugging it and fixing it. If there is a problem, they will fix it also. Testing is done by the tester. They will test it. If there is any problem, they will report that yes, there are some bug. They will not fix it. Again, it will come to the ticket. If they will raise a ticket, it will come to the developer will fix the issue and again they will update it. And if there is no problem, then tester will pass it. Yes, there is no problem, it is passed for deploying, or you can deliver it to the customer. That is the testing. So this is the difference between debugging and testing. I hope it is clear to you. So that's why your answer will be here you can see the answer. This is the correct answer, option 4. Clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes or no? Yes. So now see that here again the question is from software validation. Okay, very good. Very good, Shaima. So do the software engineering. Do the software engineering here only. So here all the new questions also there. Question answer. Software validation mainly checks the inconsistencies between. Yes. So answer will be detailed specification and the user requirement, because it is document verification. Correct. Now we will learn the clean room approach. That is the next important topic. Clean room approach. What is clean room approach? So here you can see the question of clean room approach. First of all, try it. Those who know already what is clean room approach, those who already learned, you can ask yourself, am I able to recall it? Because it is revision is going on, right? So try to recall, am I able to recall it or not? And I will then help you to understand it. This is also the current question, 2021 question. These are two statements. Read the statement and answer. Yes, answers are coming. So let's see what is clean room approach. Clean room approach is this. We are trying to make our room clean. How we can make our room clean? So that we have to regularly maintain our clean room. Regularly we have to mop our room. Regularly we have to do the dusting. We have to keep our things in the proper place. Then only it is possible to make our room clean always. So first of all, it is a prevention method. It is not a fixing method. It is a prevention method, so that there will be no problem. It is a prevention method. How to prevent? It is a avoiding method. What is avoidance? Based on the avoiding software defect. It is trying to avoid the software defect using formal method, developing the rigorous inspection. Every time, daily we are inspecting. There should not be any problem. And here that's why 5 key strategies are there. Formal specification. Formally every specification have to be clear. Incremental delivery. This is a very important point, because if I am giving you too much pressure, too much work, then you will be not able to do. But if you are doing it small part, this part you will do, after that you will do the next part, then you will do the next part, then there is the chance of getting any problem is less. That's why here it is incremental development. Structured programming. When programming structure is very haphazard, then high chance is there because problem can occur, and even also the checking is also very pathetic. But if it is properly structured way programmer is writing the code, then we can prevent the issues. So structured programming also next. Static verification. There is a team, those who will verify statically. Is there any problem? Static verification team will be there, so that there should not be any problem. And statistical testing the system. With the statistical data, we should test it continuously, so that there is no problem occurred. So these are the 5 key points through which we can think that we can maintain that, we can prevent that, we can avoid that, there will be no problem, right? So that's why here in the statement 1, clean room software process is the model to incorporate statistical quality certification code incremental accumulate in the system. That is true. Clean room approach follows to classify, analysis, design, code, test, debug, cycle, software development. That is defect removal rather than defect prevention. This is wrong. This is wrong. Because it is a prevention method, it is not a defect removal method. That's why this is wrong. Got it? That's why this is wrong. Okay? So this one is correct. Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes? Chalo. Now do this one. This is also another question of clean room approach. Do it. This is also another question of clean room approach. Do it. Yes, answers are coming. Good, very good. Very good. So here clean room software engineering is a incremental software process model. Yes, that is, here it is asking you which one is false. Very careful about this type of question. Very careful about this type of question. Which one is false? So this is also true. This is also true. Sudha, you did mistake here. Both are true. It is asking you which one is false. Prashanjit, you are also trapped. These are the trap of the question. Be careful here. Which one is false? Which one is not true? Which one is incorrect? These are the trap of the question. And always remember that if you neglect it, then you are gone. Both are true. So neither P nor Q are false. Any one is not false. Neither P nor Q are false. That's why answer is this one. Easy question, but question may twist. They will do the twist here. There will be twist in the question, and be careful about that. Read question very carefully, understand question very carefully, then answer it. Otherwise, high chances there you can lose your 20 marks. Most of the students are losing their marks. They are not able to crack assistant professor JRF exam because of this. They know all the concept, but they are not reading question carefully. They miss the not, incorrect, false, and they are doing it, and after that they are not getting the marks. So definitely be careful. And always I am telling, if you are not very much careful about the not in the question, then you have to be ready to see not qualified. So always remember that. I have to be very conscious about this not, so that this is eliminated and you should be qualified. Okay, got it? Clear? Yes, now we are coming to the next topic, that is CMM, Capability Maturity Model. What is CMM? What is CMM? CMM, here is the question. Those who already learned, those who know, ask yourself, are you able to do it or not? Answer it. And those who don't know, for them I will tell you. Here this is very easy question. They are asking what will be the order here. Only they are asking here what will be the order. Okay. So answer it, and I am going to the concept also. Yes, so here answers are coming. Capability maturity model means every software, means companies, whenever software engineer are going to get the job, they are checking it which level company. CMM level 5 company, CMM level 1 company, CMM level 3 company. What is that? According to the standard of the work, how is their work standard? According to the standard of the work, they are checking it, and after that they are giving the level of the companies. So what are the level of the companies? This is from here to here. This is lowest level to high level. Level 1 is initial. Initial means these are the very means it is fresh company, new companies, startup companies. They have just now created and they don't have anything. They are focusing on whatever work I will get, I will do it. Just like a fresher, whatever work I am getting, I will do it. Ad hoc basis work. Here one keyword you can remember, that is ad hoc basis work. Whatever ad hoc basis assistant professor job, after cracking the NET JRF, some students are going for ad hoc basis, part-time basis, because they are fresher, they are not getting full-time basis job. That's why they are going for ad hoc basis job. Same way software companies are also doing here ad hoc basis work. This is called the initial. Next one is repeatable. It is the next level. Now you are habituated with, maybe you are habituated to teach software engineering now. So you learn it very good way. Now you are going to do always, I will teach software engineering. I will teach software engineering. Whenever you are going for interview another college, then also you are telling, yes, I will go for software engineering. Means repetitively same type of work you are doing now, because you are confident with that work. So software companies are also doing repetitively same type of work. That is called repeatable, and that's why they are focusing on project planning, configuration management, requirement management, subcontract and quality. Okay. Next one is defined. Defined. How it is defined? Defined means here process definition. Here main concept is the process definition. Process, it should be defined here, means how we will develop a software, training program, peer review. These are the very important concept of defined level. Next one is managed. Here they are focusing on the software quality management. Now they are in little bit higher level. Now they are focusing on the quality. What should be the quality? Quality and quantitative management. What should be the quantity and what should be the quality? Quality and quantity management is the next level for the level 4. Level 5 is optimizing. Here this is optimized now. Now every time it is trying to do the defect prevention, that is maybe through the clean room approach. Process change management, so that it will be maybe previously they were following in some process, now they will adopt the agile methodology because it is the ongoing process. Technology change, previously they were using some different technology, now they are coming to the different technology. According to the market they will change there. So technology management, process management, defect management. These are the 5 level of CMM. Conceptually remember it, so that no need to memorize it. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Clear? Chalo. So that's why here answer will be, it was asking from lower to higher level. So answer is this one. Very clear. Now do this one. This is another question from CMM. Do this one. This is another question from CMM. Do this. Answer. What will be the answer? Okay, answers are coming. CS learning. Yes, good. Yes. So answer is 3. Rupa, you are wrong. Safia, you are wrong. Why you are doing mistake, guys? Some students, Geeta also. Some students are getting confused with 2. Where you are getting confused? Here is this one. You are getting confused with defined and managed. Defined and managed, you are getting confused. Process definition. Definition will be definitely with defined, and managed means this is process measurement. Definition is the process, definition is the defined. Okay, got it? Don't do the mistake here. Clear? Those who are doing mistake in 2, is it clear? Yes. Understand the keyword. Yes, now we will go to the software design. Under software design, 2 important topic is there, that is coupling and cohesion. Now when we are doing design, when you are designing your family, what you should work, how you should work on family. So here is the question for you. Those who know, they can do the answer, and those who don't know, for them I will do the concept. Try to recall it fast. Try to check the question so that in your mind it is the proper way of revision. Sometimes students are asking me, what is the proper way of revision? So many notes are there, ma'am. So many PDFs are there, ma'am. How should we do it? So proper way of revision is, open the question, try to recall it. Are you able to recall it or not? Then try to revise it in your mind. Okay, it is done. That is we are doing. I am showing you question. I am trying to tell you that try to recall. Then after that we will go for the concept. Okay, answers are coming. Let's see. So here coupling and cohesion. See that. It is your family, inside the family. This is you and your neighbor. This is you and your neighbor. Okay. So you and your neighbor. Thank you 50 learners. Thank you. Thanks a lot. My Shoshti is really, I'm so happy. After a long time I came here and still 50 learners is there. Thank you. You are ultimate, my Ma Durga. All of you are my Shakti. All of you are my Durga. Today we have started our Durga Puja and I am taking the class now, and thank you. Thank you everyone. So here it is, coupling and cohesion. Coupling and cohesion means you and your neighbor. You and your neighbor are there. What will be the relation between you and your neighbor? That should be low. That should be low. Okay. Because why? Because if your neighbor is interfering for your all activity, then what it is? Is it good? It is not good, definitely. Right? It is not good actually. So that's why coupling have to be low. And tightness between your family. This is unified study family. So our tightness is very strong. I can understand our tightness is very strong. If I am coming after 1 month also, then also you are coming live. So I can understand our family tightness is very, very strong. Although there are so many YouTube channels, but still my followers are always coming here because they are waiting for me. Because we are unified study family, right? So this is very high here. Cohesion is very high. Within family, cohesion have to be high. Between two family, between you and your neighbor, it have to be low. So that is low cohesion and high coupling, right? Always remember. So that's why here answer is S1. Coupling measures the group together the module belongs logically. Is it true? It is actually cohesion. This is actually cohesion. And cohesion degree of interaction between the module. Between means it is actually coupling. So it is reverse. This is reverse actually, right? So that's why your answer will be only this one. If coupling is low and cohesion is high, then it is easier to change one module without affecting others. So answer is S3. So guys, one thing I have to share. Thank you everyone. As long as your video, yeah, okay, very good. Thank you. But you can see, whenever I told that here is 50 learner, I was so happy. 7 learners go out. Means someone was there. Some 7 learners, or learners not, maybe some 7 candidate was there. Those who came to see that what is going on here. And they actually not happy to see this, that I am happy. That's why they leave it. That's why they cannot manage it, and then and there they leave it. So that now it is 44. So always remember that there will be someone in your life who are not able to bother your success, who are not able to take that ki yes, she is happy, okay, let's go. That can be happen. So just ignore it. Just ignore it. Now again they are going out. Again they are going out. Great. That's great. Okay, no problem. We will continue. Great. Okay. Yes, I will come back. Definitely I will come back. No. It is happening. Because from last 1 month I can see whenever I am uploading the video, someone is coming and dislike it. In every video, one person is there. I don't know who is that, but every video, one dislike. Definitely they are my good follower. Okay, chalo. No problem. I am very much sporting. I know that it is happening. I know that. It is happening, no problem. I am not bothered about that. So now do this one. So that's why again here is cohesion. So for coupling and cohesion, the sequence is also very important. The sequence are also very important. Yes, definitely. The sequence are also very important. What are the sequence for cohesion? What are the sequence for coupling? What are the sequence for cohesion and what are the sequence for coupling? Answer. That is also we will learn here. So answer will be 4 here. 4. So what are these? See that. We have to remember the 7 cohesion. We have to remember the 7 cohesion here. functional cohesion, sequential cohesion, communicational, then procedural, then temporal, then logical, then coincidental. These are 7 cohesion here, and each and every cohesion in detail also very important to understand. Functional means both perform one action as a team. Means inside the module definitely there are 2 functions. Both function are working same work, same function. That's why they are in a common module. That is called functional cohesion, and it is the best one. Functional cohesion is the best one. Next one is sequential. How it is sequential? Output of one element is using the input of another element. Like you log in a system. After logged in, user ID is the output. It is going to the input of the profile. That is called the sequential. This is the next level. Communicational. Communicational means elements attribute to achieve the same data. Input or output, they are using the same data. Like both are using the customer account number. That is called communicational. Okay. Next one is procedural. Procedural is that when, here don't be confused with this. Here procedural, different work. They are not doing same work, but related by sequence. Means add and edit. Whenever you have added something, any new user, I will add. After that only I can edit. Before add, I cannot edit. That is called procedural. Okay. Next one is temporal. Tempo. With the tempo you can remember it is related to time. Elements are proceeds with a similar point of time. That is called temporal. Logical cohesion. When logically categorized, they are doing logically, same concept is there. That's why they are in same module. And next one is coincidental. Means here we are not bothering about anything. Coincidentally we are putting all these function in a same module. Okay. So that is called coincidental. Is it clear? Is it clear? Shubho Shoshti. Is it clear? Yes. So that's why your answer is this one. Got it, guys? That's why your answer is this one. Clear to everyone? Here what was missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. That is logical, sequential, communicational, temporal, procedural. 2 is missing here. What are the 2? 2 is missing here. What are that 2? What are that 2? 2 is missing. Yes. So next one is coupling. So let's do the coupling also. And here for the coupling you have to remember the 3 concepts how to achieve the coupling. These 3 concepts how to achieve. First of all, eliminating unnecessary relationship. So to do the low coupling, always our target is low coupling. And before your exam, low coupling is very important. Before your exam, low coupling is very important. Always eliminate unnecessary relationship from your life. Because if you are trying to maintain lots of relationship, you will be not able to focus on your journey. So it is always important to eliminate unnecessary relationship. And reducing the number of necessary relationship. What are the necessary relationship? That is also try to reduce. Just now today I reduced the necessary relationship with my husband and daughter. As I was not feeling well, I thought that and I am getting back pain, and all the abdominal pain, everything. So lots of pain are there. So that's why I feel that it's better to reduce the necessary relationship with me and with my daughter, with my husband. They went out. I told them I don't want to go out. It is better to stay in my home, and by sitting I can take the class so that I can manage it. So this is the way. Try to reduce the necessary relationship also, and easing the tightness of the necessary relationship. If there is a very tightness, then also try to lose it, because whenever you are tightening it, you will be not able to maintain that much. So easing the necessary relationship tightness also between them, this is important, guys, so that you can achieve the low coupling. Coupling have to be also low. Although I take an example with my family member, because with my family member the other friends are also going, they also went there, but you have to reduce it. That is important if you want to achieve something in your life. Okay, if you want to achieve something in your life, that is very, very important. Clear? And these three lines are also very important. How to achieve low coupling? Question can come here. Okay? Clear? Clear? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Divya. That is also a factor. That is also a factor. Yes, so here are the 5 coupling. What are the 5 coupling? Data coupling, stamp coupling, control coupling, common coupling, and content coupling. Data coupling. Data coupling is always best. Here it's intact with each other by passing the data. They are passing only the data. Pass the data. I am not allowing you to access my data. I will pass it. You have to ask me, I need this one. I will pass it. You cannot directly access it. You will ask me, can you send me the photo? I will send it through WhatsApp. You will come to my mobile and you will access that. That is no access. Remember that. Okay? That is called data coupling. Stamp coupling, it is sharing the same data structure. Maybe same array both are using. Maybe same linked list both are using. That is called stamp coupling. Control coupling, both are using controlling like a flag. Like there is a status. Status is 0, then it will be work. Status is 1, then another one will work. That is called control coupling. Common coupling, they are sharing the common global data for communication. That is called common coupling. Content coupling, here most of the time students are doing mistake with data coupling and content coupling. Don't do the mistake. Content coupling means, yes, like semaphore also. Content coupling means here someone is coming to your home and they are accessing your everything without your permission. They don't require any permission. They can come, they can change everything. That is called content coupling, and that is very bad. If one module can change the data or update the data of other module, that is very bad. So that is called content coupling. Don't be confused with content and data. Okay? Question can come from specifically from this coupling and cohesion. Matching type question can come from here. So that's why must do this all types of cohesion and all types of coupling in detail. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. The difference between data and content, don't be confused. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Clear? I hope so. Chalo. So now we can move to testing. How's the Josh? Till now you learn lots of things. So already 1 hour done. Within 1 hour lots of things are done. Ready? Ready to continue? Yes or no? Ready to continue? Chalo. Great. Great. Very good. Chalo. So now we will do the testing. So under the testing, software testing, there are what types of testing? First of all, unit testing, integration testing, validation testing, system testing. Unit testing means each and every module, because we divide the software into module. Now whenever we have divided, then each and every module unit wise we are testing. That is unit testing. So unit testing is focusing on code. After unit testing, we are coming to integration testing. Means no, not break. Integration testing. Integration testing is what? When it is focusing on design. When it is focusing on the design, because you did some work, your friend did some work, another one did some work. Now you are trying to combine it. When combiningly we did it, after combining, now it's required to test. So that's why it is integrating together and then it's required to test. That is called integration testing. And it is focusing on the design. Integration testing is focusing on the design. Okay. Okay, Aparna. No problem. Thank you. Next, after integration testing, we will go for the validation testing. Validation testing means, we know that what is validation? Your product is ready now. After that you have to validate it. Customer requirement is, as per customer requirement, your product is correct or not. That is called requirement. You are checking with your requirement. Then the system testing. Everything is done. Now system, after uploading it to the server, system is working fine. That is system testing. It is coming to the system engineering. That is called system testing. So here these are the types of testing. This is focus on each testing. And testing means verification plus validation. When verification and validation both are done, then it is called testing. Clear? Okay. So this testing is very important part. Questions are coming repetitively from the testing. So software developer moving inwards the spiral, and here conducted moving outwards the spiral. Always this statement is also important. Question can come from this statement also. When it is developed, then from into out it is coming, and when it is testing, from it is outwards. Remember that. Okay. Now under the testing, there are the different types of testing also we have to remember. This is called unit testing, that we already did. Integration testing means all module work fine. Top down integration, bottom up integration, regression, smoke testing. These are under integration testing. And under the software testing, there are as per the behavior. Works on the engineer here, that are called system testing. What are the system testing? Recovery testing, security testing, portability testing, performance testing. Under the performance there is load testing, and another one is stress testing. This testing category is very important, because they can ask you which type of testing it is. They can ask this one also, which type of testing it is. So that's why remember this one also. Okay. Okay. So what is top down? Top down means you can remember this one to this one. So calling module to called module. What is called module? From calling module you are coming. So top to bottom it is coming. Bottom up means from bottom to top it is going. Regression testing. Regression testing means previously it was working fine. After that you add a new one. After that if there is any problem, that is called the regression. Yesterday the software was working fine. Today you add something new. After that, after adding this, you are checking the total system, is it working fine or not. This is called regression testing. Smoke testing is coming from the topic of hardware. Smoke testing, yes, I am telling the stub and driver also. Smoke testing is coming from the topic of hardware. In the hardware means smoke means I am ready for the next test. I am stable enough. Whatever my version, this version is stable enough and I am ready for the next version, for the next level test. That is called the smoke testing. Okay. And under the top down testing and bottom up testing, these are I am coming to here later. Under the top down testing and bottom up testing, there are two things. One is called stub, another is called driver. These are the two dummy module. These are the two dummy module. Stub is related with top down, driver is related with bottom up. Okay. Driver stub is related with top down, driver is related with bottom up. Okay. So why it is required? These are dummy module. Someone is a calling module and someone is the called module. If calling module, that is who is calling, driver is ready but called module is not ready. Or maybe the passenger is ready, driver is not ready. Then we are telling in the top down it is stub and bottom up it is driver. Remember that. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. And under the functional testing, there are black box testing, white box testing. Black box testing are equivalence class partitioning, boundary value analysis, acceptance testing. Under acceptance testing, it is coming alpha and beta testing, cause and effect graphing, pair graphing, state-based testing. These are all functional testing or behavioral testing. White box testing means statement, state main coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. These are under white box. White box is focusing on the code. And behavioral or black box means here it is giving a input and after that it is checking the output. Whatever input I am providing, I am getting the output or not. We are not bothered about the code. Whatever inside is going on, that we don't know here. That is the main difference between white box testing and black box testing. Remember it. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Okay. Good. So everyone, I will request one thing. Try to share the link in your status so that your friends can see that, and if anyone is interested to check it, they can check it. Okay. So you can share it in your status of your all the social media that watching this, so that at least those who are interested, they can come here and they can watch it. So you can do this little bit help to me. so that we other learner can also get information. Okay, so it is a request to all of you, those who are till now there. So before coming to statement coverage, branch coverage and path coverage, I am asking you some question. Do the question here. After that we will go for another one. Do some question from the testing. Just wait 1 minute, let me find out the question. Yes, do this one. This one, not do this one. What will be the answer? Thank you, Maruthi. Thank you. Do this one. What will be the answer for this? Quickly do it. Answer? Yes, good. Very good. Okay. So it is called regression testing. When software product runs correctly, change during the maintenance. This is regression testing. Next one. Do this one. Read it. Read it and do it. Do this one. Okay, here also answers are coming. Yes, good. Which one is false here? Which one is false here? White box testing, programming, meets specification better, error omission, it is specification. Better telling whether programming meets specification. No, that is black box. Black box testing, better finding the crash and not close on code. That is actually white box. These are also reverse. That's why this is also false, this is also false. So S1 and S2 is false. Alpha testing, beta testing, it is another topic. What is alpha testing? What is beta testing? Alpha testing is focusing on, alpha testing is when we are doing alpha testing. Alpha testing we are doing when it is in custom user those who are developing the software, means it is in-house, developer will test it. Alpha testing will be tested in the developer end and beta testing will be done in the customer end. That is the difference between alpha testing and beta testing, and according to the alpha testing it is correct, that is in developer end. Okay, next one, do this one. Which one is true for this software testing? quickly do it. Regression testing is a technique of product correctly after change during maintenance. Equivalence class partitioning is not a white box testing, it is a black box testing. And that's why only one is correct, this one is not correct. Now do this one. Do this one. Fact on top-down software approach. Top-down software approach. Yes, yes, answer. So top down is using stop. It is using stop. Driver we are using in bottom up. That is not top down. That's why this one is wrong. Yes. Now it is the maintenance. So I am coming to the maintenance here. Before maintenance, we can back to the again testing. Some topics of testing, now we can come back. So now here it is the most important topic. It is a expected area, that is the branch coverage, statement coverage and path coverage. Highly expected area, 10 marks question can come from here. So always how we are doing statement coverage. Statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage means, are you focusing on the statement? Means you have to write the test cases. You should write the test cases. How? Your test cases should be like that, so that you are covering all the statement. That is called statement coverage. And how to do it? Next one is branch. When we are telling branch is like condition. Here is a condition. Two way you can go. Like if it is true, then false. Both condition you are covering. That is called branch coverage. And path coverage, another thing is there, that is path coverage. So for path coverage, what it is? From the starting to end, how many ways are there so that you can reach here? That is called path coverage. So those who don't know statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, you can go to my software engineering playlist. In that playlist already statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, specific one video is there. That is a long video. Those who don't know, they can do it from there. Okay. So I am directly going to the question, so that through the question you can understand how to do it. It is a highly expected area. In this way you can get the question. Okay. So here it is read P, read Q. If P plus Q greater than 100, then this is large, this one is this. So they will provide you this programming. They will not provide you this graph. You have to draw the flow graph. Okay. So when I am drawing the flow graph, how to draw? These are the read statement. That's why it is in one statement. After that it is the condition. This is called a condition part. Although remember that when there is a if condition, if there is only if part is there, else part is not there, then also you have to draw it the else part, because logically we have to go for no. Here you can see there is no else part, but still we have to consider about that, because we have to take both the branches. Here don't do the mistake. So whenever there is if, then go for yes and no. Two branches have to be done. After that there is large, print it. Then here it is the end if. After that then again there is the if condition. This true means you are coming to here. False, there was nothing, but still we have to draw it. Still we have to draw it. So this is the flow graph is done. After doing the flow graph, now what to do? Now it is required to do the statement coverage. How to do the statement coverage? See that. This is the easy way to do. These are the all statement here. Okay. Now I have to try what is the minimum number of test cases required so that I can cover all the statement. That is my target. So that's why you can see that can I draw a single line and can I take a input through that everyone will be covered. So that you can take a example P and Q. What is the value of P and Q so that everyone should be covered? How I can take? Here it was P plus Q was greater than, then this is large and P is greater than 50. So that's why if I am taking P equals to 60 and Q equals to whatever, maybe 80, then this condition will be true. I can pass this one, then I can come to here, then I can come to here, that is also correct. Then this is also true, then I can come to here. So with a single test case, I can cover all the statement. That's why it is called the statement coverage 1. Got it? So with this path, with a one test case, I can cover all the statement. That means it is statement coverage 1. But whenever you are coming to the branch coverage, you can see this branch and this branch we did not cover with this one. That's why we have to cover this one also. That's why we have to take another test case for branch coverage. This one was already there. Now this condition have to be false. So that's why I can take a P value like 40 or maybe Q value like 30. Now this one will be false, so this branch will be done, and this one will be also false, this branch will be done. So to cover the branch, we need this test case also, we need this test case also. 2 test cases is required here. That's why branch coverage is 2 here. Okay? Clear? Is it clear? Statement coverage and branch coverage. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Is it clear? Statement coverage and branch coverage. Good evening, Drishti. Now next one is path coverage. What is path coverage? Path means from starting to ending how many paths are there. You can see there are 4 paths are there actually. What are the paths? This is a path. One path is directly this one. Another path is directly this one. Another path is also there. Another 2 path is there. That is, I can go to this way, then I can come back to here. This is another path. Another path is also here. That is, I can go to here, and after that I can come to here. These are the 4 paths are here. That's why we need 4 test cases. What are the test cases will be required? For PQ, one test case is P is 60, Q is maybe 80 or something. When this one is greater than 100, this is also doing. Another test case, write down the test case guys. What are the test cases required? 4 test cases is required here. Write down it in the comment section. What are the test cases required to cover all the path? What are the test cases required to cover all the path? Here 10 marks question can come. I am telling you how high chance is there. Tell me what are the test cases? Another test case is for false. That is maybe P is 30 and Q is whatever, maybe 40. Right? Another test case, I can take P is 60 but Q is 20. Then this part will be false but this part will be true. Is it or not? Another test case I can take, that is maybe P is 40 but Q is 80. Then this one will be true and this one will be false. So these are the 4 test cases will be required so that we can cover all 4 paths. This one, P plus Q greater than 100 and P is greater than 50. For this one, P plus Q less than 100 and P is also less than 50. For this one, that's why it will go to this path. For this one, it is P plus Q less than 100, so it will go to this false part, but P is greater than 50, that's why it will come to this true path. And for this one, P plus Q is greater than 100, that one will be true, but P is less than 50, that's why this one will be false. Right? So they can ask you test cases also, guys. They can ask you test cases also. So be ready for that. Okay? Clear? Is it clear? Yes. And even also they can ask you percentage also. Maybe they can provide you the statement coverage. This is the statement coverage. And with that, what is the percentage of coverage? So here we are going through 1A, 2B, then E, then 4F. 4F. So how many statements we are covering? We are covering 3 statements out of 5. That's why percentage is here 60%. Percentage is here 60%. It is also can be next question. If you are lucky enough and if my assumption is correct, then 10 marks question is highly chances there. Must cover it. So that's why here statement coverage is 60%. For path coverage, if branch coverage, if I am covering this one, 1A, B, 4F, then what is the branch coverage? Branch coverage is here 50%. Because total 4 branches are there. There was total only 2 branches. How many branches was there? Total 1 by 2 we are covering. That is 50% branch coverage. And next one is path coverage. If I am going to do this path, when I am going to do this path, then 1 by 4 total path was 4. Out of them only 1 path I am covering. That's why here it is 25%. So in this way easily 5 questions can be asked from this area. Got it? Clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? Anyone have any doubt? I hope no. And must cover it. Must cover it. This is very important. Okay. So it is a question for you. It is a question for you. Do it and I am coming in 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Ma'am will watch recording. Acha, okay. So how many of you are done here? How many of you are done here? Answers are coming. Yes, good. Those who are doing answer, just check it how to do. Here also this is another expected question, previous year's question also. Just how to do. This is the Boolean variable, so we will do the flow chart. After doing the flow chart, whenever we are coming here, after doing the flow chart, you can see I am back here, guys. I am back here. So after doing the flow chart, when we are getting, just how to see, you can see the statement coverage. First of all, how many lines are required? That is the easy way, because your question was what is the number of statement coverage and branch coverage. How many lines are required? See that 1, 2 and 3. Using 3 line I can cover all the statement. So definitely statement coverage will be 3. Now for the branch coverage, here you can see this extra branch and this extra branch is remaining. That's why for this extra branch is 5. So your answer will be here 5. Okay. So and the exhaustive testing means, there was the question last year also from the exhaustive testing. What is called exhaustive testing? Exhaustive testing means all types of combination. When we are taking all types of combination means all possible combination. Like that, if you are working a password 3 character where you are using all character. So all types is 26, 26, 26. These are the all possibilities you are taking. That is called exhaustive. And that's why exhaustive means here it is what it will be. You can see this one, how many variables was there? There were 4 variables. And both are Boolean. Boolean means either 0 or 1. That's why 2 to the power 4 means 16 combinations are possible. That's why your exhaustive will be 16 and your answer will be this one. From this same question, your means that question can be also asked. They can provide you this one and they can ask you percentage, or maybe they can ask you what are the test cases. In this way 5 questions can be asked. Okay. Now here is a quick revision note for waterfall model, prototype model, incremental model, spiral model, agile model, because SDLC model is also important. Main points I am telling you. So waterfall model, what is the main point? Waterfall, before coming to that, here is another thing, that is cyclomatic complexity. Cyclomatic complexity, we missed it, so we have to do that also. Cyclomatic complexity. Let's do the cyclomatic complexity question also, because this is also important. Yes, so here these are the cyclomatic complexity question. So what is cyclomatic complexity? What is the meaning of cyclomatic complexity? Cyclomatic complexity. I have the Josh, I can continue, so please try to share as much as possible. Okay, so cyclomatic complexity means here it is also going for that independent path. Just now we did the path coverage, right? Path coverage. Cyclomatic complexity is asking you how many independent paths will be there. What are the different types of independent path? How many independent paths are possible here? That is your cyclomatic complexity. There are three formula. What are the 3 formula? One formula is number of region, that is bounded plus unbounded. Next one is P plus 1, that is predicate nodes plus 1. What is predicate nodes? That is called the conditional node, where there are more than one outgoing arrow. That is called the predicate nodes. And number 3 is E plus N minus 2. This is another one. So these are the 3 formula there to get the cyclomatic complexity. And cyclomatic complexity is giving you the number of independent paths in the graph. It is also from the flow graph. So they can combine the question statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, then what is the cyclomatic complexity. In that way they can combine comprehension type question. Okay, so what will be the answer for this, guys? It is already a previous year's question. What is the answer for this? Sorry, E minus. Sorry. It will be E minus. sorry. It is E minus N plus 2. Yes, sorry. I did a mistake here. Sorry. It is E minus N plus 2. Sorry. Yes. So what will be the answer? Sorry, this is not E minus N plus 2. Okay. Yes. So how many region? How to calculate? What is the bounded area? You can see the color I make. So these are the different color, means these are the region. Region means bounded area. And this one is a unbounded area. This unbounded area is another region. So these are 4 region are here. So total answer will be 4. Here was another question. How many nodes are there in the longest independent path? Longest independent path. Longest independent path. Yes. So longest independent path answer will be this one, because you have to check how many paths are there. You can check here how many paths are there. This is 1 to 11, one path starting to end, one path is there. Another path is 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, then 10, then again coming back to 1, then this one, that is another path. Another path is 1, 2, 3, 6, then 7, then 9, then 10, then again coming back. Another path is from here to here, then here. These are the 4 paths. And don't be confused with 2, 3, that's why I will count 2 times. Don't be confused. 4, 5, I will count 2 times. No. Always remember, every circle is a node. They are giving this type of question to confuse the student. Only they are trying to confuse the student. So how many nodes you are visiting? Even also, one you are counting 2 times, that's why you have to count 2 times. Here also students are getting confused. Here is also 1, here is also 1. You have to count it 2 times. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer will be 8 here. There are some confusion coming for the student. 1 I should count 2 times or not? Yes. Whenever you are repeating, then you have to count it. So that's why your answer will be 8 here. Got it? Clear? Clear? Yes. Clear or not? Clear? Now do this one. How many predicate nodes are there? How many predicate nodes are there? What are the predicate nodes? Okay, so it is clear. What I told, outgoing arrow, check the outgoing arrow. When there are more than one outgoing arrow, that are the predicate node. This one, two outgoing arrow. This one also two outgoing arrow. This one also two outgoing arrow. That's why your answer will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. This is your answer. Now, what is the cyclomatic complexity here? It is very easy. What is the cyclomatic complexity here? What is the cyclomatic complexity? Tell me. Yes, cyclomatic complexity is 4 because just now we did how many region? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 region means complexity is also 4. So we can do the answer 4. Now, how many nodes are there in the flow graph? It is also very easy question. How many nodes are there in the flow graph? It is also another very easy question. So yes, answer will be here 9. Just count the circle, guys. Just count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circle are there. So answer will be also 9. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes. Yes or no? I hope so. Right. Another important topic is re-engineering, reverse engineering. This is next important topic. Do this one. Re-engineering, reverse engineering. Do this one. After that I am telling you what is re-engineering, what is reverse engineering. Do the answer. Software re-engineering is concerned with okay, answers are coming. So what is re-engineering? Re-engineering means one old software you have that is very old, maybe 10 years back you did it, and it is a C programming, C++ programming. Now in the market Java is going on, so your software is also very old dated. It is, and the speed is also very slow. It is not up to the mark. So that's why now you are telling the developer, I want to rebuild it, re-engineer it. Functionality same. Remember that here functionality have to be same. Business logic have to be same. Only maybe you can change little bit the view, user view, and the structure. But when developer is asking you that give me the specification, design, then you will tell I don't have anything. It is a very long back I did it. I don't have anything. no specification is there, no design is there. Now how the developer will do it? That's why developer have to do the reverse engineering. What is reverse engineering? Reverse engineering is that from the developed product is already ready. Now they will go through the product, and after that they will try to find out the design and requirement. Then they will start developing, restructuring and forward engineering. That's why here is a reverse engineering required. From the ready product, it is again coming to the design part. That is called reverse engineering. After that, again we are building it newly. That we have now designed, then go through the design, planning, designing, coding, testing, maintenance. Then it is the forward engineering. So this is called re-engineering. Re-engineering means reverse engineering plus forward engineering. That is called the re-engineering. And that's why here your answer will be re-engineering is the reorganizing and modifying the existing software more maintainable. That is the correct answer. Now again here is the question from reverse engineering and re-engineering. Do it. Do this one. Till now I can see who are there. Thirumala, Prashanjit, Suruthi, Lekka, Sudha, Geeta, Deepa, Narmada, Hema, Divya, Shaima, Sathya, Mayuri, Rupa, Priskal, SNJ, Geeta, Usha. Thank you everyone. Let's be with me. I am trying to cover all important topics, everything, all question of software engineering. Do it. What will be the answer? Yes, answers is coming. So answer will be yes, answer will be D. Because software engineering preferable to failure rate, this is also correct. Reverse engineering we are doing when objective recovering design, that is also correct. So both are correct here. Clear? And now validation, do it. No, this is already we did. This is already we did. Now the last part we have to do, that is maintenance here. That is we have to do the maintenance. So software maintenance, it is the next important point. Software maintenance. Always question are coming from here. This is the question of perfective maintenance. Perfective maintenance. Do the answer. Yes, answers are coming. Very good. So there are what types of maintenance? When rectifying the bug, that is focusing on correction. This is called corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance. When customer need to be new platform, then this is called adaptive maintenance. New feature is the keyword of perfective maintenance. You want to be more perfect and overcome wear and tear, that is in future any problem can be happen. That's why now only you are trying to rectify it. Prevention is better than cure. That is called the preventive maintenance. Okay. So these are the four maintenance are very important: corrective, adaptive, perfective and preventive. 4 maintenance are there, must cover it. Okay, clear? Clear? So you can see here again, modifying restructuring is called. Just now you did it. Again they ask. So repetitively they are asking question from here. Repetitively they are asking question from here. What will be the answer? Yes. Yes, this is also preventive, perfective maintenance. Now need adaptive maintenance. What is the reason here? Software product need adaptive maintenance. When? Good, very good. Hema, Narmada, Deepa, Rupa, Dibya, Priskil, Shima, Mayuri, Thirumala, Sudha. Good. Yes, good. New platform is the keyword of adaptive maintenance. Correct. So now we are going to the next topic. That was I was telling you for doing this one. Different types of model. Under different types of model, this is also important. That is waterfall model, prototype model, incremental model, spiral model and agile. Waterfall model, main concept is it is going like waterfall. This is falling down. So if one step is not completed, then you cannot start other step. That was the waterfall model, and it is for the small project like school project, college project, they are doing it. Prototype model, it's creating a dummy. When customer requirement is not clear, then they will create a dummy module and after dummy product, and after that it will be shown to the customer so that customer can understand it. Then it will go for the original product. Incremental and iterative both are dividing the project into some parts, small parts. First I will do this part, then I will go for next part, then I will go for next part. That is incremental model. Next one is spiral model. Main important part of spiral model is risk analysis. Here this is the most important, that is the risk analysis is done by the spiral model. Agile model is the combination of incremental and iterative model. In the agile model, main focus of the agile model is there customer involvement. Here it is involving the customer, main focus. So customer involvement is the main focus. After that, in every phase, and it is dividing the project into very small part. Every time it is developing that, it is sending it to customer, getting the feedback, after that doing the correction and all, then again go for it. And it is focusing on the team member. As per the team member, whatever their suggestion, it is a bottom up approach. Team member will take the decision, management will not take the decision. These are the main focus of agile. So for agile also a detailed video is there in my software engineering playlist. So those who want to learn in detail, definitely you can go for the software engineering playlist. Okay. So here you can see, this is the question, which of the following include in the waterfall model? What will be the answer? Yes. Do this one. Yes. So it is asking you not include in the waterfall model. Risk analysis is not include. Definitely. This one, the dash model perform the software when requirements are not clear. Yes, I will take numerical. Yes. So here when we are doing it, because this is the model dash model software development requirement are not clear, that is a evolutionary model, because evolutionary model is one type of prototype model only. This is a one type of prototype model only, that is called evolutionary model. Rapid development model is functionally means parallelly everyone can work, and this is rational unified model. So answer will be evolutionary model. These are the question already we did. This is already done. Alpha testing, beta testing. Here is a question of alpha testing, beta testing. Do this one. Do this one. We are going to end the session now. So it is come to end. So now tell me the answer of alpha testing, beta testing. This one. Which one is correct here? Yes, so answer will be, this is the difference between alpha testing, beta testing. You can go through it, you can pause the video and you can go through it if you want. So potential customer on their own environment, because beta testing will be done by the customer will do it in their own environment. That is the, not customer will not come to the company, they will do there in their own environment. That is beta testing. Okay, so exhaustive testing, this is a question of exhaustive testing. Do this one. I already discussed with you what is exhaustive testing. Do this one. Yes. So here I told you exhaustive testing means all possibility you are taking, that is actually very exhaustive. So that's why these both are correct here. These both are correct here. It is a assertion reason question. Both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, because that much combination is very difficult to take. That's why. So here is another one. The prototype model is the software development is. Do this. What will be the answer? Yes, it is the customer cannot tell you clearly. That's why we are going for prototype model. Right. So software engineering, reverse engineering, already we did this question. These are also done. Regression testing, black box testing. Do this one. Do this one. Which one is true? This one. This one also done. This one also done. Top down, bottom up is also done. This is maintenance is done. This is also done. All the maintenance we did it. Yes, quality control and quality assurance. So finally, you will assure me how was the class. So with this quality, we will end the session. We will end the session with this quality control and assurance. That is, I am trying to always do it so that I can control the quality of the class. I can assure the quality of the class. So tell me what will be the answer for this. Tell me what will be the answer for this. Yes, that is the answer. Quality control and assurance. Quality control involves the inspection, review and the test throughout the software process, ensure that work product meets the requirement place. Quality assurance is auditing the function of the management. So controlling quality, so for controlling the quality of my class, always I am trying to cross verify the final answer key and with the authentic data, with the authentic resources. After that only I am providing you, so that in my class, in my content, there should not be any mistake. In that way I am trying to control the quality. And quality assurance, Unify Study is giving you the assurance, yes, we are doing auditing, we are doing reporting the function management. If you find anything wrong in this class, if you find that yes, the class is not good for you, the class is not valuable for you, there is some mistake we did in the class, or there are some wrong answer, whatever, if you think that it is not at all assurance of quality, then you can let me know in the comment section. And if you think that quality is actually assured here after your exam, please come back to this video and please comment here that yes, the class was helpful and you got how many questions from this class. It is a request to everyone, after doing the class, after going for your means exam, you attempt your exam, after that if you see that yes, you got the question, you get a good score in software engineering, then please come here and let me know in the comment section. And if you feel that no, there was no question, then also you can write it down in the comment section, it was worthless, no value of the class. Whatever your requirement, you can do it. Okay, ठीक है, পুরোটাই হ্যাঁ রিভিশন তো করে দিলাম। শুভ ষষ্ঠী। Viewing video once before exam, more enough theory. Yes. And another thing is remaining, that is the numerical. Numerical is remaining here. That numerical we will do in the next. For the numerical I will take the another class, so that we can do the numerical. Okay, so numerical is also important, definitely some of the numerical are there, so for that numerical I will take another class so that we can complete the numerical. And not only numerical, I will take another class for expected MCQ, means it will be the part 2. Here it is part 1, I will take a part 2. If possible tomorrow only I will take a part 2 where we will do only expected MCQ and numerical, so that will be also done. ठीक है, okay, चलो. Thank you everyone, thanks for joining the session. And I was not able to come live, and even also I am not at all fine. So many medication is going on, but still I am struggling, I am fighting with my, there is something like our willpower, something like our natural healing power. I am trying to heal myself with my power, because I know that whenever I am coming to the class, I am feeling happy. That's why I came to the class, and I hope it will be helpful to you. And bless me so that I can help you, because really lots of problem is going on, my health is not at all good, but still just bless me so that I can fight with this bad disease, and ultimately I can help you all. and I can be with you all. Okay, thank you, thank you. Bye bye everyone. Definitely I will take another session. Maruthi, Tulasi, Lekka, all are here. Rajkumar, Sudha, Tulasi, Divya, Rijana, user Narmada, Rupa, Tulasi, Deepa, Narmada, then Maruthi, Priskal, Nirmala, Safia, thank you, and Rijana, Minashi, thank you. Good night. Good night, everyone. Bye bye. See you again very soon. Bye bye. Good night.